When it comes to AR-15 grips, there are a ton of great options out there, but the new battery grip from Wolverine Airsoft has a trick up its sleeves that none of the rest of them do. Hi, I'm Glenn, and we're going to take a look at why I'm so excited about this, as well as the basic installation on today's episode of What the Tech. The battery grip is a new innovative power solution for your MTW-Spec replica. Utilizing our boost circuit, it can take the combined voltage of two CR123 batteries from 6 volts up to a simple and reliable power source for your gun. Another awesome feature of this is with the increased capacity of these batteries, up to 5x the basic LiPo, you'll have increased peace of mind. The included switch on the bottom lets you turn the power off in a second, increasing the battery life even longer. And if you forgot to put fresh ones in recently, no problem. If you're already running a flashlight, chances are you already have CR123 batteries as part of your kit and can just steal one. And if not, they're super readily available. Now let's take a quick look at the installation. We're going to start by removing the upper from our gun by popping out the bobby pins. Next, this one already has one of our rear airline connectors, so I'm going to press the button here and simply guide the airline out of the way. Next, I'm going to take a 3/16 hex key and simply remove the grip by turning the screw counterclockwise. Once I have the screw backed out, I'm going to carefully remove the existing grip, being sure not to lose the spring that's in it or the detent that's up inside of the lower. Next, I'm going to take the battery grip. I'm going to put the spring up inside of the hole there. I'm going to drop the detent back into the detent location. And now, while being sure that the detent doesn't fall back out, I'm going to go ahead and get the grip and the spring lined back up. Now I'll just take the screw that was on there, drop it back down the grip, and go ahead and snug that back down. Next, I'm just going to feed the wire from my board back down into the grip and guide it out of the hole here on the side. After that, I'm going to take the battery tray, go ahead and install the batteries in it. And then I'll feed the wire from the battery tray, plug it together, and then I'll align the slots on the tray here with the ones on the grip itself, and just press it together. Finally, we're going to take the included screw with the 2mm hex key and go ahead and snug that down. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck the battery connector wires. Now we can just take the grip door. We'll start by sliding it down at a bit of an angle here. Once we have it all tucked in, I will push down on it and snap it into position. One thing you may have noticed by now is with the battery grip, there's no spot in the grip itself to run your airline through the grip, but you can simply run your airline out the back of the receiver if you want. Another cleaner option is the fixed rear airline connector like we have here that comes on the 308, or you can purchase separately. And finally, the Wraith X air stock is another amazing option. One awesome thing about the grip is that if you're running our Spartan version of the electronics, it makes getting into programming mode a breeze. All you need to do is hold down your trigger, flip your switch to the on position, and now you're in programming mode. Once you've changed your settings to save them, all you need to do is turn it off and back on again. The battery grip will also work fine with our premium electronics. It'll be a little bit tighter, but it'll work just fine. So to install it, we're simply going to feed the wires through the grip like we did before, plug in our FCU, then we're just going to put the tray in the same way we did and tuck the wiring up out of the way. We're going to put the bottom of the FCU into the relief in the tray here itself. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was super useful. If you liked what you saw here, maybe go check out the channel for some other awesome content. Drop us a comment to let us know how we're doing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the field.